Want to hide apps from screen time on your iPhone? Here's how to do it step by step in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Apple doesn't have a single button that says Hide App from Screen Time, but there are 3 effective ways to remove or limit how apps appear inside screen time. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Screen Time. Tap App and Website Activity to view usage data. Scroll down, find the app you want to hide, and tap on it. By limiting or disabling tracking, the app will no longer appear clearly in screen time reports. Go to Screen Time, then tap App Limits. Add a limit of 1 minute to the app. This hides detailed usage and locks the app quickly. If the app is grouped under a category, Screen Time will show category usage instead of individual apps. You can reset screen time data by turning screen time off and back on. This clears past app usage history. Screen time is designed for transparency. Apps can't be fully hidden forever, especially with family sharing enabled. If screen time is managed by a parent, only the organizer can change these settings. And that's it. That's how you hide apps from screen time on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.